Welcome to Cooking Academy at Home, and today we're making a carrot cake. First step, Chef Sabrina?
Do 5 or 4 carrots.
Yes, so it's usually 4 big carrots, but you can use 5 if it's small. And what are you doing?
Carrot cake.
Yes, and
That's why I have carrots.
you're peeling the carrots, right?
I didn't know that was me.
Yes.
Dum, dum, dum. The second step is to put the carrots in the blender, and my mom is helping me. Bye.
So the next step is to put the eggs. We'll need 4 eggs. We're cracking it right over there so that we can see if there's any white shells in it.
No, it's okay.
Look like it?
No, it's good.
We put the carrots, we cut the carrots and we put it in there. But you can shred them. That also works. Just put it. You can just don't touch it.
Okay.
Okay.
I was just checking.
A little bit more. The next step is to put full 1 cup full of oil. Very carefully.
The oil.
That's good.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that's just a little one.
Perfect.
Okay.
Now,
now I
you
mixed up.
close it.
Super tight.
Hold it tight.
Hold it.
And
Which one?
you can
This one?
Sure, but you have to hold it. So once the mix of carrots, eggs, and oil is done,
I'll do the full one first.
she'll do the sugar. So how many of sugar do you need?
2 cups. To put like 1/2 and 1 full. Oh my gosh, when I put the flour in this, it's gonna come like white smoke. I'll do the full one first.
We make carrot cakes and chocolate cakes so much.
We make a lot of cakes that I do.
Yes, that she already knows the recipe.
I know the whole thing.
Yeah.
We need 4 eggs. We need on carrot cake 4 eggs and 5 or 4 carrots, and also 2 full sugars and flour. And 1 thing, which is this.
So baking powder
1 spoon of it.
and 1 cup of
Oil.
Now it's the flour. It's 2 cups, and we usually use a strainer to make it thinner and get any balls, any little knots out. And flour out. That's 1.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the other one. Oh my gosh, that's going on your phone.
So everything's there. We use a handheld mixer, or you can use whatever mixer you have at home to mix all that goodness. to put the baking powder, 1 spoonful of baking powder. And then you use the mixer again or the spoon.
I'll use the spoon. It's better.
To mix that all in, and your batter is ready.
Until it's all gone?
Yeah, until it mixes very well.
Okay.
Okay?
Forgot, because I didn't do a cake for a long time.
After your batter's ready, just put it in your pan. We're using a butt kind of pan with that hole in the middle. Make sure you spread.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. So while we wait for the cake to be done,
I need it. Oh, yeah.
we'll make some Brigadeiro, which is delicious.
Well,
It's a Brazilian bonbon kind of thing.
I want to do the little balls.
So we have over there 1 or 2 spoons of butter. We use 1.5. And then you can put and then 1 can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. And then you need about 5 to 6 spoons of chocolate powder.
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate powder.
Well, 5 or 6 of them?
Yeah, not full.
2. I'm gonna do 6. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Then mix it well, and you have to keep mixing so that it doesn't stick at the bottom.
Wait. So why can't we do little balls?
So usually Brigadeiro comes in little balls, chocolate
I
balls,
want to do that.
but we're making them. We're not going to make the balls because we're going to put it on the cake. Okay, so here is our carrot cake. We put the Brigadeiro, which is the Brazilian chocolate thing, on top, and we put some chocolate chips on top, and it looks and it smells very good. So now she's going to cut it. Put a piece so we can try it very carefully.
There you go. Now that's my piece.
It's still hot. Usually we let the cake cool off a little bit,
But it's just
but
to
we
show.
wanted to see and show how it looks, and it's very, see,
I'm gonna leave it here for a little.
it's delicious.
Yeah.
So that's it for today.